Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new then welcome. Today I'm gonna be doing a tutorial on this makeup look. This is my soft, super easy Valentine's Day look. I have a little shimmery eye going on, nothing too much, and just like a little brighter lip. So I'm gonna be using the Huda Beauty New Nude palette. I think that this palette has a lot of like beautiful rosy pink shades, so it's perfect for Valentine's. So first I'm gonna go in with this concealed just to prep my eye. So I'm gonna take a flat shader brush and just put it all over my eyelid. It evens out the base so you get a nice even color and make your eyeshadow last longer as well. I'm gonna be doing like a quick look. It's not gonna be too fancy or too like glittery or something like that. It's gonna be more like of like dinner kind of a look. That's why I've opted for a darker lip color. The lip color that I have on is Icon from Huda Beauty, and I mixed it with Sugar Mama. So these are the two matte lip colors that I have on my lips, and I just topped it up with some Dazzle Glass from MAC in the shade Sugar Rimmed. So now I'm just gonna go in with the shade Teddy for my crease color. I'm using like a big fluffy brush. So I'm just gonna go in my crease. But when you do like a simple eye look, it is very important for you to like blend everything in well as well. So you should give some time to your blending. The next shade I want to go in with Fantasy. This is like the shimmery shade. I'm not going with heavy glitter, but I do want to put a little bit of shimmer. So I'm just gonna go all over my eyelid with this shade. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my fingers. I think there'll be a better payoff for sure. And just blend it into my crease. I'm gonna go in with the same brush and just blend everything in again. And I'm gonna take the shade Crave, which is also a shimmery shade, on a small pencil brush and just do my inner corner. For my lower lash line, I'm gonna take this like thick pencil brush and go in with the shade Teddy again, the one that we used on the crease, and just run it on my lower lash line. I just want to go in with the shade Tickle, which is this one, for my crease as well. So just add a bit of that. And the shade that we used on our inner corner, I just want to like put it on the high points of my brow. So just slightly tap it, and on top as well. This gives like your brows a more raised effect. Just very little. Like you can barely tell, but we're now gonna go in with a brown eyeliner because I want to smoke things out a bit. So with a brown eyeliner, I'm gonna line my upper lash line. And I want to line my waterline and upper waterline with this black eyeliner as well. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please do like, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram on Makeup Dies by Sukrita. Bye guys, till next time.